tama ba yung ginagawa nila. So, ang question is, paano ko maaayos yung aking team at dapat hindi ko na sila kailangan bantayan? Mahabang proseso yan eh. So, halimbawa, ang pangalan niya ay si Malu. So, si Malu na-frustrate na dahil kailangan niyang bantayan bago kumilos. Well, ang employees, believe it or not, ang dami ng dumaan na empleyado sa aking kamay in the last 40 years. Ang alam ko is, ang mga tao hindi kailangan bantayan dahil everybody wants to do a good job. Kaya lang, hindi nila alam kung they're doing a good job or not kasi wala tayong binibigay na feedback. Pag nagkakamali, pinagsasabihan natin, sinesermonan natin, kuminsan sinasilent treatment natin, pero kung may nagawang mabuti, hindi naman tayo nagte-thank you, hindi tayo nagpe-praise, kaya hindi nila alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa nila, kung napapansin ba natin yung mga ginagawa nila. Kaya kapag wala tayo, hindi sila kumikilos. So the best thing to do there actually is to have KPIs. Tinuturo natin to sa ating course na Team na Marunong. So if you are interested, that's something that you can join. No? Or if you would want to just buy the book, you can buy the book na Grow Your People Pinoy. So dito sa libro na to at saka sa course na to, tinuturuan natin yung business owner na magkaroon ng way para ma-measure yung performance ng kanilang mga tao. In fact, sa aking experience, hindi tayo kailangang nakabuntot eh. Hindi tayo kailangang mag-measure. Kung clear sa kanila kung paano natin sila mini-measure, they can measure themselves. Yung aking youngest son, meron siyang business. Ang nangyayari doon, kanyang mga tao ay mga video editors. The video editors do the QC, the quality control. Pag binigyan sila ng criteria kung paanong pag-QC ng kanilang output, kaya nilang i-QC yung kanilang sariling output because everybody wants to do a good job. So I just want you to remember that, no? May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team pero gusto ng may structure, accountability at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.